Sometimes in our adsense is not showing ads. In case of blogging, it's very much important to show the ads in my blog from the ad sites. In this AdSense, there are three blog. One is in the last, this is authorized and the ad is showing, but in the middle the another blog, it is authorized but it is not showing the ads, and the first one is authorized but needs attention. That is, it's needed some problem that's needed to fix. So if we face this problem, then it is authorized but approval status is getting ready, then we need to fix this problem. So in this case we have to follow some rules, and you can easily you can solve this. So you need to go to your AdSense and go to you go to the account and there add setting. In the setting you go to the accounts information. In the account information you will get the publisher ID. Then you copy this publisher ID, and in the Word or in a notepad, then you need to go to here for to modify this after adding some of the some of the things, and here so you can easily this you can easily solve this after writing your in the notepad. You need to put this ID, and here you found that I write google.com, then pub ID, then direct, and some of and a code, and here this ID. If we just paste this ID, if you just paste this, you can just change it through your mobile and this ID, and then after pasting your AdSense ID, copy the whole copy the this line, then copy, and then you need to go to your blogs, and here in the blogs open this blog, and then you need to go to settings. Go to settings, and here you will find in the scroll to the down, and here you will find the monetization option. Here the monetization, and you need to enable the customers. If you enable this, and in the custom ad text click it, and then you just paste your just paste it and then save, and this way you need 24 hours, and sometimes it may need a few days. It may be 1 week to 30 days it may be needed for monetization of your ads. Thank you. I will give these details in my description box. Please follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and like my channel. Thank you very much.